If your preview playback is lagging or stuttering, don't worry. I'll show you a simple way to fix it by adjusting the preview player quality for smoother editing. Let's get started. First, take a look at your preview window. If playback is choppy, go to the preview quality option, which is located at the bottom right of the preview window. Click on it, and you'll see different quality options like full, half, quarter. By default, it's set to full, which plays the video at its original resolution. If your video is high quality, this can slow down playback. To improve performance, change it to half or quarter resolution. This lowers the preview resolution but doesn't affect the final export quality. For even smoother playback, you can also enable render preview by hitting enter key on your keyboard. This pre-renders the video, reducing lag during playback. And that's it. You've now optimized your preview settings for a lag-free editing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips.